How to report a lost, stolen, or damaged debit card on Santander, Full Guide 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this guide, I'll show you how to report a lost, stolen, or damaged debit card on the Santander app, updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Santander mobile banking app on your phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 2. Log in securely using your passcode or biometric authentication. From the home screen, tap Cards or go to the account linked to your debit card. Step 3. Look for the option that says Report a lost or stolen card or Manage card. Tap on it to view available actions. Step 4. Choose whether your card is lost, stolen, or damaged. Then, confirm that you want to report it. Santander will immediately block the card to prevent unauthorized transactions. Step 5. You'll be asked if you'd like to order a replacement card. Tap Yes and confirm your delivery address. Step 6. Your new card will usually arrive within 3 to 5 business days, depending on your region. While you wait, you can freeze or unfreeze your card from the app if it's found later. Note: if any suspicious activity occurred before you block the card, contact Santander support immediately to dispute the charges. And that's it. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.